Okay, so this is a video on how to make assignments and putting them into your modules. So the assignments I'm going to be using is going to be based off Google Slide exit tickets that I'm already pre-made from Eureka. So I already made 3. I'm starting with module 4 because I'm 5/6. You're going to follow your own schedule, but I already made 3. I'm going to make a new one with you guys. So you would call this, I'm going to look at my old sample. I'm going to go to my assignments. You're going to call this, my example, grade 5, module 4, I'm on lesson number 7. So grade 5, module 4, lesson 7. Lesson 7. That's my math lesson. Then I'm going to take my sample assignment over here. I'm going to copy and paste what I did before, or you guys can just write your own. I'm going to copy, paste what I did before. So there's a link in here. These are my directions because unlike Google Classroom, it will not auto-generate their names onto their assignments. So they're going to have to do this. So this is a little bit harder, especially for the little ones. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to remove my link because that's my old one. I'm on lesson exit ticket 7. And I'm going to take my exit ticket 7 that I already made over here. Press share. Sharing. Then I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to link it here. Okay, cool. Now that's linked. That's just an example. And then we need to, this is the same. You can change the point value. You can change this. You can display it as points, grade level. Oh, I think we need to display it as letter grade because we're in elementary. Then I want them to be able to upload website URL because they're going to be turning it in through Google Slides. Then the unlimited attempts. If you were doing a quiz, probably only 1 attempt. I don't know, up to you guys. Then they don't let you post it until you give it a date. So I'm just going to put the September 14th for now because technically that is when we are supposed to start. September 14th, and this is my 3rd assignment, so I'm just picking that for now. All right, then I'm going to press save because that should be done. All right, so now this is what your students will see. They're just going to see this square up here. They're just going to see this and these directions. They're also going to be able to see a turn in up here or submit assignments. It's called like that. So watch when I click this, it opens up to the slide I want them to look at. What they're going to do is file, make a copy, entire presentation. They're going to write their name and then save it. Now they can edit it. So they just rename it with their last and first name or first and last name, doesn't matter. All right, so that's what they do. And then they will submit this, whatever they do, by turning it in or submitting it here. They're gonna have a little bar down here that says submit with Google Drive or submit with URL. There's both ways to do it. Okay, now how to put these into modules. After you have your assignment ready, see I already posted 2. I'm gonna put in from lesson 6. So there's my 6, add item. Oh, I forgot to do that. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm gonna add my lesson 7, add item right there. So now when they click on this module, these are already made for me. I'm gonna make a new one if you want to make a new one. So say I want to do let me just do lesson 10 would be my one after 9. So all I have to do is do grade 5 mod 4 lesson 10. Add module. So if you scroll down there, see I have my lesson 10. I just need to put my stuff in.